Vocabulary number 6. To sign. To sign. I prefer the one where it comes backwards towards you, but some people will sign it moving forwards. You'll see the asterisk for the signing moving backwards. To sign fluently. Signs just roll off your fingertips. Sign fluently. America or American. There are 2 stories about this sign. America, because of the log cabins, or America, because of the fences. Language with an L, or language with an F hand shape. I prefer the one with the L. This looks too much like sentence in my opinion, but you'll see some of the instructors signing it this way. And ASL, here's our chance to learn a little bit about lexicalized fingerspelling. ASL is not ASL. As you can see, the second version, fingerspell ASL, is ASL, the 3 letters. ASL, it became its own little word though. We start with an A, we come back for the S, and then forward from the L. ASL. All right. Here is snapshot number 6, the signing sightlines. And we're going to jump straight into snapshot number 7, the signing space.